Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to hide your WhatsApp status with some selected contacts. Friends, as you all know, our WhatsApp status is shown to all contacts saved in our mobile phone, but you can very easily hide WhatsApp status from some contact using a WhatsApp feature. So first press on status. Now to hide your status with some contacts, press on these three dots. Here press on status privacy. Now here my contacts are selected by default. Here select on my contact accept. Now here select the contacts from which you want to hide your WhatsApp status. I have selected these three contacts and press on done. Now here press on done. Friends, as you can see, I have hide my WhatsApp status from three contacts saved in my mobile phone. So like this you can very easily hide your status from unwanted contacts. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.